Hi everyone, and welcome to our popsicle making video. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really easy popsicles that you can use to cool off this summer. It has been a hot one, that is for sure. So what you will need is your favorite kind of juice. I have some strawberry kiwi juice, which I really like. You'll need some plastic cups. You can use other cups too, but the plastic ones will work well, especially if you have to kind of peel it off when you take it out of the freezer. Now I also chose ones that are a little bit skinnier, so my popsicles won't be super wide and big around. And then you will also need popsicle sticks, some tin foil squares, and a pair of scissors. Now, if you have a popsicle mold, you can use that as well. That works just fine. And if you're using scissors, make sure you ask an adult for help. All right, so let's begin. Today I'm gonna be making 4 of these popsicles. So I'm gonna show you how to make the first one. And we're gonna take our cup, and then we're gonna take our juice. And of course, if you wanna add fruit to your popsicle, you can do that as well. And we're gonna carefully pour our juice into our cup. Now, I'm not gonna fill it all the way up because I don't want my popsicles to be gigantic, but if you would like, you can put as much juice in the cup as you want. So now, after we have our juice in our cup, we're gonna take our tin foil. And I cut this up into squares so it'll fit over the top of the cup. Now, what you wanna do is you're gonna take it and you wanna kind of figure out where the center is gonna be. So I'm gonna start curling it around the cup a little bit. And then you can see I have a circle, right? That's the top of the cup. Now, I'm gonna take my scissors, and in the center of the circle, I'm gonna cut a little slit, just like that. And again, you wanna be careful because you don't wanna cut yourself. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it back over the lid, just like that. Or back over the top of the cup, actually. This will be the lid. And then you're gonna take a popsicle stick and you are gonna stick it right through that slit that you cut. And there you go. Easy enough, right? And this tin foil is going to keep the popsicle stick in place, so it'll stay in the middle of your popsicle as it freezes. All right, so I'm gonna make 3 more of these, okay? So I'm gonna put that to the side. And then we'll pour some more juice. Take our tin foil, put it over the top a little bit, cut a slit, put it back over the top, and then put our popsicle stick. There we go. All right, time to make 2 more. Right, there we have it. I have my 4 popsicle cups. Now, what I'm gonna do with these is I am going to put them in the freezer overnight because it will take quite a while for them to freeze. All right, and then I will come back tomorrow and we'll take our popsicles out. All right, so I will see you in a bit. All right, I am back now, and I took one of my popsicles out of the freezer. Now I let them stay in the freezer overnight. You don't need to do that, but you wanna make sure that they're fully frozen before you take them out. So they definitely need to stay in there for a few hours. So I have my popsicle, and then I also have a bowl here of hot water to help me get the popsicle out of the cup. So first, I am going to take the tin foil off the top. And then all I'm gonna do is take this and I'm gonna stick it in the hot water for just a moment. And then we're gonna see, oh, we're getting there. I'll probably need to put it in one more time. And what you can do is you can always rinse it under the faucet. If you're running hot water, that works too, if you'd rather do it that way. Ta-da! We now have a delicious popsicle. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy your popsicles. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon, all right? Bye!